Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an Australian partner visa. First, identify if you are applying from within Australia or offshore, as this determines the correct visa subclass. The onshore visa is subclass 820 and 801, while the offshore is 309 and 100. It's crucial to understand the eligibility criteria for a genuine and continuing relationship. Gathering all required documents upfront will streamline your application process significantly. To be eligible, you must be either married to or in a de facto relationship with an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen. The Department of Home Affairs requires substantial evidence across 4 key areas. These include financial aspects, the nature of your household, social aspects, and the nature of your commitment. Providing detailed and consistent evidence is vital for a successful application, showing a genuine and continuing relationship. Preparing your documents is a critical step. You'll need identity documents, such as passports and birth certificates, along with character certificates and health examination results. All documents must be certified and translated if not in English. The application is lodged online via the ME account portal. Be prepared for the significant application fee, which is currently more than 9,300 Australian dollars, payable at lodgement. After lodging, the Department of Home Affairs will assess your application. Processing times can vary widely, from several months to over 2 years, depending on individual circumstances and caseloads. You might be asked to provide additional information or attend an interview. It's essential to respond to these requests promptly. Once a decision is made, you will be notified, and if successful, your provisional visa will be granted, leading to permanent residency later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.